Hi guys, so today we're going to be looking at the liver and excretion. Metabolism is all the chemical reactions taking place inside your cells, and this produces waste such as CO2 that needs to be removed. And excretion is basically the removal of metabolic waste from the body, so it's the removal of all the waste products that are produced by the chemical reactions in your cells. Liver is involved in excretion, and so is the kidneys, but we'll look at those later. The liver is also involved in detoxification, and detoxification is an important word, and it means the conversion of toxic molecules into less toxic or non-toxic molecules. So the liver is made up of two lobes. There's one lobe there, and there's the other lobe there, and it is separated. The lobes are made up of lobules. So if we look at the lobules a little bit closer, you've got cylindrical structures and they're made in stacks, and that's sort of a section, so that bit would go all the way around this central vein. The central vein connects to the hepatic vein, and this takes the blood away. The hepatic artery carries oxygenated blood to the central vein, and what happens here is the oxygenated blood from the hepatic artery and the hepatic portal vein, which is deoxygenated blood, mix, and that produces a really good set of stuff for the hepatocytes. And the hepatocytes are these cells in the liver basically, and because the oxygenated blood is bringing oxygen and the deoxygenated blood is bringing loads of nutrients, it can give the cells oxygen and nutrients, so everything it needs really. So the hepatic portal vein, which is the middle blue one, the deoxygenated blood, it carries deoxygenated blood to the hepatic vein. So they basically go to the central vein. The bile canaliculi carries blood away from the central vein, so that actually works in the other direction, and that takes it to the bile duct. Also, another little thing to know is these little yellow cells here, which are Kupffer cells, and they break down toxins and old red blood cells. The old red blood cells break down to form a chemical called bilirubin, and this is the brown pigment in faeces. So now we're going to look at excess amino acids and how they're excreted. This is a form of detoxification, as excess amino acids can't be stored and can be really harmful, so they're toxic to the body. The liver gets rid of them. Nitrogen is removed from the amino acids, as if you remember from your AS module, all amino acids have a group containing nitrogen. That leaves ammonia and organic acids. So the organic acid is respired or converted into glycogen, which is a carbohydrate and stored in the body. Ammonia, which is NH2, binds to carbon dioxide in the orthonine cycle, forming urea. And the urea is then released into the blood, where the kidneys filter it and it is excreted. Cheers for watching.